welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today.
Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make red snapper smothered with onion. As you can see, I've already prepared the ingredients that we're going to need, and let me tell you, this recipe is going to be great. Now I know you heard a lot of smothered onion recipes, but wait till we get going with this one. I'm going to show you how simple and tasty this is going to be. Let's get started. Come on guys. Okay, let's begin by seasoning our red snapper with salt and pepper nicely. Now I had already gone ahead and mixed my salt and pepper together. So you just sprinkle it nicely over your fish, both sides, okay? And you want to sprinkle it nicely, don't be shy. All right, I'm just gonna a few pinches. I just want to cover the fish, all right? Just a few pinches. We're gonna do both sides, so I just want you to see how I'm getting it. Just want to do both sides. Okay, I've added some olive oil to my pan, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, the pan is nice and hot. We're going to saute our garlic, ginger, and of course the onion. And bell pepper, red bell pepper. Let's cook that down. And after this cooks down, we're going to put this to the side, and then I'll show you what we're going to do next, guys. As our snapper is on the side and seasoned, it's just waiting to go into the pan after. So we're going to saute everything, cook it down nicely, and I'll show you exactly how much you want to cook it down. All right? All right. As you can see, it has been nicely sauteed. Let's put this aside and brown up our fish. Okay guys, using the same pan as you can see, let's hit it with some more olive oil, okay? Let's brown up our seasoned fish. Now I had sprinkled a little bit of paprika just to give us a little color, okay? As you can see, let's just get this in there and brown it up a little bit. We're gonna brown both sides. You can hear that sizzle, all right? That's what we want. Alright guys, I browned it nicely as you can see. 2 minutes each side. We want it to be nice and juicy. This is a wonderful color that we got. Now we're going to take our onions that we had already sauteed, onions, pepper, garlic, and ginger. We're going to take that nice mixture and just cover it nicely. Oh boy, this is what you want. The wonderful natural juices from the onions and peppers is going to allow your fish to cook nicely inside. Get those flavors going. Oh wow, this is wonderful. And I'm going to hit it with some soy sauce. Let's just spread this out nicely and evenly. Oh, that looks great. Alright, here's a wonderful soy sauce. I'm just going to let this go in there nicely all around. And then we're going to cover it. And we're going to let this cook slowly. Bring it down to a slow temperature, and we're going to cook this for a nice, I would say 5 to 10 minutes, okay? Until the fish is fully cooked. All right, looking great, tasting good. This is ready to go, all right? I already see it here, it's very soft in the pan. We're going to just, I'm bringing my onions around. You see you got a little sauce down there. If you can see a little bit of it, it's thickened up nicely, okay? The fish is fully cooked, all right? It's very soft, so you want to be careful with it, all right? Let's pan it up, all right. Okay, here we have it. Red snapper smothered with onions. This is delicious. This goes great with rice. Keep in mind, guys, this was so simply made, and you cook it down. It's a wonderful texture, okay? The fish cooks very fast, okay? So you want to make sure that you keep an eye on it. Well, thanks guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, and I would love to hear from you. Feel free to leave your comments. Until next time. Enjoy.